Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable abandoned cart SMS in Postscript for US orders, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Postscript account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left side menu, locate and click on Settings. From the Settings page, find the SMS Notifications section. Select Abandoned Cart SMS from the options. You will see a toggle switch to enable abandoned cart SMS messages. Slide the toggle to the right to turn it on. Next, customize your SMS message for abandoned carts. Make sure to include a friendly reminder and a link back to the cart. Review your SMS message for clarity and engagement. Once satisfied, save your changes at the bottom of the page. Now, navigate to the Automations tab in the left menu. Click on Create New Automation to set up your abandoned cart flow. Choose Abandoned Cart as the type of automation. Set the timing for when the SMS should be sent. You may opt for a delay of 1 or 2 hours, based on your preference. Review all settings and confirm they reflect your business goals. Click Activate to enable the Abandoned Cart SMS automation. Lastly, test your setup by simulating an abandoned cart scenario. Check your SMS inbox to ensure you receive the message correctly. Make any necessary adjustments based on your test results. Your abandoned cart SMS notifications are now ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.